Always follow your installation instructions. This video is for information purposes only. To avoid excessive noise and vibrations, your washer must be level with all 4 feet touching the floor. Let's take a look at how to check your washer for levelness and make adjustments if needed. Place the level on the top of the washer and check both side to side and front to back. For proper operation, all 4 feet must be in contact with the floor. Your washer may appear level even if this isn't the case. To verify the feet are touching the floor, place hands on opposite sides of the appliance and attempt to rock it. If your washer rocks, then the feet need to be adjusted. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install washer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Prop up the front of the washer about 4 inches with a wood block or similar object that will support the weight of the washer. Adjust the leg of the washer as needed. Use a 9/16 inch or 14 millimeter open-end adjustable wrench to loosen the jam nuts. Turn them clockwise on feet until they are about a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters from the washer cabinet. Then turn the leveling foot clockwise to lower the washer or counterclockwise to raise the washer. When the washer is level, use the 9/16 inch or 14 millimeter open-end or adjustable wrench to turn the jam nuts counterclockwise on the leveling feet tightly against the washer cabinet. Verify the adjustments you have made. Recheck for levelness. Ensure all feet touch the floor. The washer is stable and level. Always follow your installation instructions, included with every product or available online at www.maytag.com.